Hi guys, it's Danny at Lancaster Automart, part of the Cox Motor Group, along with our associates Lancaster Volkswagen. And today we have the Toyota CHR 2017 VVT-XL in silver. It's a 1.8 hybrid auto. In silver, along with its 18-inch alloys. Nice smooth vehicle to drive. Nice looking, very tidy. And on the inside, don't forget, if there's anything on the vehicle that you'd like to specifically have a look at, that's not a problem. Just give us a call or go online and visit us, and we can give you a personalised tour, video tour. And if there's any questions you need to ask, we'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Again, excellent condition inside. Lovely model. All black trim inside, with the brown colour coded. Again, anything you need to ask or anything you want us to refer to with another video, feel free to ask. We're more than happy to help. Just give us a call, go online, or drop by. We'll answer any questions for you. Cheers guys.